Did you know elephants can actually cry real tears when they're sad? And even comfort each other just like humans? Elephant. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear will completely change the way you see elephants forever. Elephants don't just walk the earth. They carry secrets that will amaze you. From crying real tears to having 40,000 muscles in just one body part. Here are 12 mind-blowing facts about elephants that prove they're more than just giants. 1. Elephants can cry. Yes, elephants shed real tears when they're sad or stressed. Scientists have observed mothers crying when separated from their babies and calves shedding tears when they're distressed. Unlike most animals, elephants express their emotions outwardly. Think about it. The world's largest land animal, strong enough to knock down a tree, can also cry like a child. Isn't that powerful? 2. They never forget. There's a reason people say an elephant never forgets. Elephants can remember faces, voices, and even specific places for decades. In fact, scientists once recorded an elephant recognizing a researcher it hadn't seen in over 20 years. Their memory helps them survive remembering where waterholes are during drought, or even recognizing humans who have shown kindness or harm. That's more than just intelligence. That's emotional memory. 3. Baby elephants suck their trunks just like human babies suck their thumbs. Baby elephants find comfort by sucking their trunks. It calms them down and helps them feel safe. Imagine watching a huge, playful baby elephant, already weighing over 200 pounds, but still clinging to its trunk like a pacifier. It's one of the cutest things you'll ever see in the animal world. 4. Their trunks are super machines. Now let's talk about the most impressive tool in the animal kingdom. The elephant's trunk. It has over 40,000 muscles. That's more than what's in the entire human body. They can use it to tear down a tree, drink gallons of water, or delicately pick up a single blade of grass. Some have even been seen using their trunks as tools, like scratching themselves with sticks or moving obstacles out of the way. Truly, it's nature's Swiss Army knife. 5. They communicate in secret. Here's something. Elephants can talk to each other in ways we can't hear. They make low-frequency rumbling sounds called infrasound that travel through the ground. Other elephants, miles away, pick up the vibrations through their sensitive feet and trunks. It's like having their own hidden language. A private radio channel that humans can't tune into. 7. They love to play and bathe. If you've ever seen elephants in the wild or in sanctuaries, you'll notice one: they absolutely love water. Elephants splash around, roll in mud, and spray water all over themselves like kids at a pool party. But this isn't just fun. Mud baths protect their skin from the sun and insects. Imagine the joy of a herd of elephants diving into a river, trumpeting and playing. It's pure happiness. 8. They are great swimmers for animals so massive, you'd think water would slow them down. But elephants are natural swimmers. They can swim for hours, using their trunks as snorkels to breathe while moving across rivers. This ability allows them to travel long distances in search of food and water. It's amazing to think that something weighing several tons moves so gracefully in water. 9. They barely sleep. Here's something. Elephants only sleep about 2 to 4 hours per day, and sometimes they sleep standing up. Why so little? In the wild, they need to stay alert to protect the herd. What's fascinating is that even with such little rest, they remain strong, active, and playful. Meanwhile, most of us can't survive a single day without 7 to 8 hours. 10. African versus Asian elephants. Not all elephants are the same. African elephants are larger and have ears shaped like the map of Africa, while Asian elephants are smaller, with rounded ears. African elephants also tend to have both males and females grow tusks, while in Asia, usually only the males have them. These differences might seem small, but they show just how diverse and adaptable elephants are. 11. They protect the forest. Elephants are called keystone species, which means the survival of many plants and animals depends on them. By knocking down trees, digging for water, and spreading seeds through their dung, elephants keep the environment healthy. Without elephants, many ecosystems would collapse. They aren't just animals, they're gardeners of the forest. 12. They celebrate joy. And finally, elephants know how to celebrate when they're happy. They flap their ears, trumpet loudly, and sometimes even sway or dance. Scientists believe this is their way of expressing joy. Picture a group of elephants reuniting after days apart, trumpets blaring, ears flapping, tails swishing. That's not just instinct, that's happiness. So what do you think? Now, elephants aren't just the largest land animals. They're emotional, intelligent, and deeply connected to the world around them. Tell me in the comments, which fact surprised you the most? And if you want to keep discovering the hidden secrets of animals, don't forget to subscribe and join me on this journey. Because the more we learn about elephants, the more we realize they're not just animals, they're teachers of love, memory, and kindness.